Hi, this is going to be a video tutorial for people who are interested in cashing out their cryptocurrencies from Binance. Now, recently, as we know, the United Kingdom has cracked down on cryptocurrencies, and as a result, all major banks are no longer supporting crypto transactions. Now, that has presented us with a unique set of challenges. We have been discussing other ways of moving around cryptocurrencies and cashing out, but we wanted to find something that's cost effective and quick, and I will reveal my favorite method. So stay tuned and we'll begin after this short intro. Hey everyone, Layman here. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you're new around here, welcome to our little channel and our little community. If you're not already, please make sure that you become a member of the Layman's Corner, which is a Discord server that we have, and it is very community focused. It's free of charge. You will find the link in the description of this video. As I said briefly at the beginning, I will try and show you my favorite method of cashing out. In this particular video, I will be focusing on Binance because they are the world's largest crypto exchange with a lot of options. Historically, about a month ago, things were quite easy because all the banks in the United Kingdom didn't seem to have an issue with cryptocurrencies and they were supportive of all payment methods. So you could buy cryptocurrencies using your bank cards. Binance was supporting direct and free bank transfers to top up your Binance account, etc. All of that has now unfortunately stopped as most of the major banks in the United Kingdom no longer want to be involved in crypto. That leaves us with a dilemma. If you are mining helium at the moment and for instance you want to sell your helium tokens or any other cryptocurrency for that matter, you will find yourself in a bit of a conundrum when it comes to trying to cash out, because although you can transfer your assets over to Binance, you cannot cash out because your bank will suspend your account if they see transactions coming in from Binance because they are very anti-crypto at the moment. So I wanted to show you quickly there is another way that you can do this and cash out. I've tried it and it works brilliantly. So Binance offer a service which is called a peer-to-peer trading platform. So you can find the peer-to-peer trading platform if you go on the Buy Crypto tab, and it is the third option down on the desktop app, or the feature can be easily found on the Binance mobile phone app as well. So if you click on Trade, and Trade will have the P2P tab, and so you can click on that and you will land on the peer-to-peer trading platform. From here, things are relatively easy. If you want to buy cryptocurrencies, you simply select the buy option. You select which cryptocurrency you wish to buy. You can buy USDT, buy Bitcoin, Binance USD, the Binance Coin, Ethereum, and DAI. So these are the assets that you can actually buy directly for fiat using the peer-to-peer network service. I always try and go to USDT. There are two options: you can buy or you can sell to other people. So you can filter these results, you can enter the amount, how much you want to buy, search, you can choose the fiat currency, and you can also choose what payment methods you want to have. So payment methods such as Revolut are very popular. Bank transfers are supported within the United Kingdom. Lloyds Bank is the only bank that appears to be still crypto pro. There's one thing that I would strongly suggest, and that is, whatever happens, do not use PayPal as your payment method if you are selling crypto, because with PayPal, your customers will have the opportunity to reverse or revoke those transactions after you've confirmed them and released your crypto to them. So don't opt for that PayPal transfer. Always stick to bank transfers. They are the safest option. There are also alternative methods available, so just take your time and go through the list. If you are wanting to sell your crypto, say for instance you have got your helium token, I would suggest that you sell your helium token in a pair with one of these. I usually do it with the USDT pair. So when you sell your crypto on the Binance exchange, on the normal market, you will get your USDT in return, fiat and spot. So this will reflect your balances for each currency. You can simply go onto transfer and you can transfer your USDT from your spot and fiat wallet to the P2P wallet. Choose the coin, which is going to be USDT or Bitcoin or whichever pair you use. Then click max, so it transfers, or whatever the amount that you want to transfer and sell, and then hit confirm. Once that happens, your funds will now transfer into your P2P wallet. So once they are in the P2P wallet, you can go onto the trade tab, go onto the P2P market. You will land here. This will reflect your balance. You can then choose to sell. When you are selling, there are a couple of things that you need to be aware of. For instance, here, people are paying 87p in exchange for each USD. However, it's very important that you look at these statistics. So London Cash Buy happens to be a buyer of USDT coins, so they want to buy USDT in exchange for GBP. They have so far made 10 orders, so 10 transactions which have completed, and they have a completion rate of 83.33%, fairly low to be honest. They basically don't do transactions for more than £1, and they want something like 49,998 USDTs. The payment method is Vodafone Cash. Me personally, I don't trust Vodafone Cash, so I am not going to choose that. My preferred payment method is going to be either Revolut or bank transfer, so I'm going to choose one of these people. So 72p happens to be the going exchange rate for the United States dollar to pound. Again, 86 orders, 93.48% completion rate. And again, you can choose that and then simply hit sell USDT, fill in your details, and that should be it. Do not, under any circumstances, accept screenshots as a proof of payment. If you have chosen to sell your USDT in exchange for GBP and you have provided your bank details, make sure you always check your account and confirm that the payment has arrived before you actually release the cryptocurrency and the USDTs. So the way it works is the buyer of USDT will buy a denomination. So say they want to buy 100 USDTs from you. You can determine how large or how small a sum you want to sell, obviously. So once they place the order, they have a set amount of time, which ranges from 15 minutes all the way to 2 hours, 3 hours, and you can set those parameters. They will make that payment within that time scale. If the payment is made and you have received the payment, they will confirm on their side that they have made the payment. Once you're happy that you have received the payment as the customer, you will then click a button to confirm that you have received the payment. Once you click that, the funds are taken out of your wallet and immediately transferred into their wallet. Now that is, in a nutshell, how it works. Obviously, there are people out there who will try and scam you, so it is vital that you stick to your guns and do not fall for any sob stories saying, oh, they are stuck and they need funds urgently because they need to make an urgent trade or something similar. Always remember, screenshots are always very easily doctored, so don't fall for screenshots. Do not accept them as payment methods. So that is it from me in terms of cashing out. Banks usually won't have an issue with it because the transactions into your bank account are made by individuals rather than by, say, Binance or any other cryptocurrency company. So that is what makes this system quite efficient and truly peer-to-peer. So that is how it works. I hope this is helpful. I have tried it personally and I've been trialing it for the past few days and it works absolutely seamlessly. Yes, people have tried to scam me, people have sent me screenshots, but you need to remain resilient and robust and basically say no where you need to say no. So that's it from me. I hope that you find this video useful. If you do, please make sure you smash that like button. If you have any more questions, you can always leave a comment or come and join us on the Layman's Corner. The members of the community are extremely helpful and they'll be more than happy to guide you in the right direction. So thank you very much for tuning in. Look after yourself and I will speak to you soon.